Need help with crypto taxes? This video reviews a crypto tax platform that simplifies reporting for traders and investors. Links to the platform and related resources are below. This platform streamlines tax reporting for everyone from casual investors to pros, integrating with hundreds of exchanges, wallets, and DeFi platforms. It handles everything from basic trades to complex DeFi activities like staking and yield farming. The key feature? Automatic transaction import and categorization. It identifies every taxable event, trades, transfers, staking rewards, leaving no detail behind. It also supports FIFO, LIFO, and other cost-basis methods for tax-efficient reporting in your region. This flexibility is especially useful for high-volume traders or complex tax situations. The intuitive interface guides you through generating tax reports. Easily view transaction history, track gains and losses, and catch discrepancies before filing. Once reviewed, the platform generates accurate, ready-to-file reports compliant with local tax rules. Advanced tools like tax loss harvesting help optimize gains and minimize liabilities. Plus, get responsive customer support and expert advice for complex tax questions. In short, this platform ensures accurate crypto tax reporting without manual calculations. It provides a comprehensive portfolio overview focused on tax efficiency. Check the description for links to learn more and get started today.